Well, hey guys, and welcome back to yet another video. Now for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my current Locomotive and rolling stock collection. So this is going to be a 2020 update. Now, I've never done this before, so bear with me, please. But before we get into the video, I want to thank you guys for all your recent support. And for everybody who has subscribed, I want to thank you guys. If you haven't already done so and subscribed, please make sure to go subscribe. It's that red button down below. Help us get to 700 subscribers by my birthday, which is February 19th. That's 2 months and 40 subscribers. I think we can do it. And like the video and comment what your favorite part about the video was. And yeah, so let's dive right into this. On the left, we have the Locomotives. I have 4 of them, 2 of them being the Scale Trains Tier 4 Gevos, number 3150 and number 3163 with Loc sound and DCC. Right here, I have the Athearn Genesis SD70s, straight cabs. As you can see here, I got Illinois Central number 1000, which I see all the time over here, so it's really cool to have the model of that one, and 1016, which I also see a lot over here. I plan on getting number 1031 for the CN paint scheme within the next week or so, so stay tuned for that, and that's when the review will come out in about the next 2 or 3 weeks, so stay tuned for all that. But these have Tsunami 2 sound and LED lighting, and they, with, you know, also DCC, but they look amazing. The detail's great, so stay tuned for the review on those. Right here is the Walthers Proto EJ and E coil cars. I have 3 of the new Atlas 42-foot steel coil cars. I have a Athearn ready to roll Union Pacific, Western Pacific grain car. Walthers Mainline FURX grain car. 5 of the Walthers Proto 6351 cubic foot covered hoppers, the 4 bays. And these are really nice. I got TILX, all the TILX variants, and 1 ADM. I got an Athearn ready to roll CSX. I think it's an FMC plug door box car, I'm not sure, or a plug door high cube box car. I got 2 Atlas 70, either 72 or 73 foot center partition cars. Now I'm selling this one, so if you guys want it, comment down in the description. I'm selling this one, but I'm going to keep this one. Right here is an Intermountain. This is the latest run, the second to latest run, and it has KD couplers, opening doors, see-through sides. I did a review on the Union Pacific one, but I sold that UP one, and I bought a BNSF one because I like the color on the BNSF one better. And also I didn't have any BNSF orange cars. I had BNSF white and UP, so I decided to get the BNSF orange. And then I have 8 Scale Trains rivet counter HO scale Greenbrier, I think it's Greenbrier auto racks, Multimax auto racks. And I have gone ahead and changed most of these couplers to KD 158s because the springs had popped out, and I thought it was time to change them. But I got CN in both colors, CN red, CN white, KCS in the yellow, UP Building America scheme, CP in the white, and with the red and white, I know they have a different logo coming out this next run. Right here we got BNSF in the white, and then Kansas City Southern in the white, and then last but not least, one of my favorites is the Norfolk Southern in the yellow. Now they have 10 new road names coming out on those, so I plan on getting at least 7 or 8 again, because these things are amazing, and I'm trying to build up my fleet on auto racks as well as grain cars. So that is every train car and every locomotive that I own. Currently we're sitting at 23 train cars, 4 locomotives, so it's a nice Canadian National transfer train at the moment. Or I can run 2 trains. I could have double-headed on these, or I could have one of these leading with one trailing on DPU service with the Tier 4s, which I've done before. It looks nice. But with all of that being said, I guess that's going to bring this video to an end. If you guys liked it, make sure to comment that you liked it, and if you would like to see more of these, maybe every 3 to 6 months, I could do these more often instead of yearly. And yeah, make sure you guys are subscribed, and I guess that's it. See you guys next time. Peace.